The biggest question I've gotten this week is, what is your research about and why is it important? And I looked at estimating fetal weight, specifically looking at the larger end, or large for gestational age, so meaning that your estimated fetal weight was over the 90th percentile and birth weight was over that as well. And that is important because that's associated with having more morbidity and mortality for both mom and baby. And this can be from things like a shoulder dystocia, which I looked at how predictive different things are, and also things like having diabetes or whatever caused the baby to be extra large. And also predicting shoulder dystocia, which is very difficult if you just look at like one thing. So, sort of like with all patient conditions, if you just look at one little thing in isolation, you're not going to get the whole clinical picture. And so it reiterates, I guess, that although estimating weight is super important, it's not a super great predictor no matter what you use. And so I looked at 5 different formulas to see which one was the best for estimating fetal weight in a New Mexican cohort of people, and to see if the ones that we use work well. So the one that we use mostly is the Hadlock formula, which was originally actually made in 1985 and revised in 1991 using a larger cohort of women, meaning 390. And these were all white women from Texas. So comparing New Mexican size to like general Texas size is probably, you would think, would be a little bit on the smaller side. So I looked to see if that was a good comparison. Actually, overall it was. So interesting finding.